Hi there, students. Dirge. A dirge, a countable noun. Okay, a dirge is a slow, sad, mournful song. Particularly one that is played at a funeral. Yeah, it's something that music composed for a funeral, or it could also be a poem or a piece of prose that's composed or performed as a memorial to somebody who's died. Yeah, so he composed a funeral dirge for his father. Yeah, a lament, a requiem. Yeah. Okay, so a dirge, a slow, sad musical composition, particularly for played because somebody has died. Yeah, a lament for the dead, especially when it forms part of the funeral rite. So an elegy, a lament, a requiem, a burial hymn, a march of the dead, or something like that. Let's see, you can also call a piece of music a dirge because it's very slow and sad and depressing. And I think informally you could call a song a dirge to say that it was just slow and boring. So I hate his dirges. They're so boring. Yeah. After playing 3 dirges in a row, the audience got angry and started clapping him slowly. Okay, so that's the idea of a dirge, a slow, solemn, mournful piece of music. Yeah, a death march, a lament, a funeral dirge particularly. Okay, dirge, formality. So let's see. I think if you call something a dirge because you're being insulting, I'd probably give that a 4 in formality. However, any other way, I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. Yeah. The only thing he writes are dirges. All of his songs are dirges, informal. But otherwise, a funeral dirge, a mournful dirge, I would give this 6 in formality. It sounds rather literary, yeah? And then as to origin, well, this comes from the Latin word dirge or dirge, meaning to steer or to direct. And it actually comes from the Latin dirige domine Deus meum in conspectu tuo vivam meam. God, direct me my way in your sight. And it's the beginning of a chant, of a song or a hymn in Christian liturgy. But this is often as well used for burying the dead. Okay, and that's the idea. So the dirge is actually effectively a prayer. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dirge.